So, hi baby. Hi Lenny, are you coming to chew some hair? Alright, well, I've done a little bit of clear work here on the pond exit so it doesn't sink the coop. Hi Lenny girl. Hi. Do you want some hair? Come over here. You can come over here. Leave Lenny alone if she wants to chew hair. Come here, Lenny. Come here. Come here. You want to come here? Want me to come to you? Or you're going to back up? Come on then. You coming? Come here. She just wants hair so much. Come on, baby. Hi. Who's my girl? Oh, come on. You are the funniest girl. You are. You are. Ow. Gee whiz. Really? Is that how it is? Come on. Ow. Good grief. I don't have to pull it out by the roots. You're a good girl, huh, Lenny? Yeah, you're a good girl. Okay. Let me pet you. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Oh my goodness. Yes? Hello? Yeah? I didn't know that. Get my cleaning tool here. I should drain a little bit now. Careful, Lenny. What the hell was that? What was that? Awkward. So, see what happens is that gets dammed up from feathers and leaves and stuff, and then the pond fills up, and this is the coop right here, so it overtakes it, and we don't want that to happen. Oh gosh, okay, here we go. See, it's all muddy and gross here because it was this high. Hi, turks. Turkidly lurkleys. Right. Let's see if there's eggs. Who did that? Who was that? My, my. My, oh my. Oh, hello, Millie. Hello. You pretty girl. Please tell me you don't have a duck under there, do you? And I mean an egg. When I say duck, I mean egg. Put that back in here. Get it back in here. What in the world? You people. Lights. Alright. Is there an egg under here that we were trying to cover up? No. I don't. What were you doing, Millie? I don't know what she was doing. But there's an egg. And there's an egg. Holy moly. It's been a couple days since we gathered the eggs. A couple there. None over there. None there. None there. What, you guys? Alright, let me see. Hi, Bam Bam. Hi, Bam Bam. Hi, good Lord. Oh, no. Hi, Lenny. Alright. Get the greatest egg gathering known to man. There better not be any nests over here. Are there eggs back there? Maybe not. Doesn't look like it. Okay, good. I hate having to remove. Oh, Millie. She gets all huffy. So huffy. Don't you, Millie? You do. Yes. Silly Millie. That's what I call her. And that's why. And she's a silly, silly girl. Alright. Let's gather some eggs. Okay. So we'll get those 2, 4. I'm not good at following my hand. I hope nobody gets seasick. What? What? I think he's saying what? What are you doing, Mother? He says. I didn't count them. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16. Oh, 17, 18. Alright, did I see any anywhere else? You guys remember? Oh, those geese are so loud. No, there's no more. Okay. Chicken. What in the world? A bunch of crazy people. A bunch of crazy people. Crazy feathery people. Hey, 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 don't harass Millie. Okay. Ah, that's a nice lot of eggs. Pretty, pretty. Chicken, chicken. You stop that. Don't do that. That's rude. Gosh. I know. Oh. Alright. Let's get some water over here. Our silly thing is leaking. You might notice. Holy moly, look at that. Why do you guys have so much mud in your water thingy-mabopper? That's gross. It's like you're just carrying mouthfuls over. Is that what you're doing? Don't do that. Oh, gosh. Alright, shut that off. Flip this out. Oh, gosh. I need 14 hands. Sadly, I have not. Sorry, chicken. Alright. There, now I can fill it. It's so disgusting, though, isn't it? What do you guys do to your water? I blame the ducks. Look at that. It's been nasty. And just smelly. Do you guys lay any eggs out here? I don't see any. What is it, Lenny? Huh? What's she doing? Pebbles, leave Lenny alone. She is a grown-up. You can decide if she wants to chew on here or not. What are you doing, Bam Bam Bam? Bam Bam Bitty Bam Bam. There we go. Hello, AJ. Hello, Waddles. You're a nut, Bam Bam. Yes, you are. You know I'm right. I'm always right. I'm always right. Except when I'm not. There you go, Wavy Wally. That's right. Keep those ravens away. Although they can't carry away any chickens now. They're all grown up. Still. Anyway, alright. Just craziness. Craziness. Hi, Lenny. Are you going to chew on some more hair? Okay. I hope everybody has a great day. Bam Bam's being crazy. Be nice to that turkey. You took out Charlie. I know. Hi, Pebbles. Hi, Pebbles. Are you a pretty girl? Are you a pretty girl? You are. I know. Yes, you are. You're a pretty girl. So are you, Lenny. Yes, you are. Mama's pretty girl. Okay. Anyway, on that note, I hope everybody has a great day.